there, welcome to Imran Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make the veggie hakka noodle. So we need to boil the noodle first. So water is boiling, so now I have to put the noodle inside. So we need the vegetable for the veggie hakka noodle. So during meantime the noodle is boiling, so I need to cut some vegetable. So this is like a Indo-Chinese cuisine. This is came from Chinese cuisine. So we modified to the Indian cuisine. So we little bit there is changings. You can see when I will cook, then I will show you. And because we add some chilies, green chilies, and some vegetables different, and we add garlic, and we add some cilantro and spring, onion spring. So it will be a little bit different than the Indian cuisine, Chinese cuisine. So we need to chop some garlic, fresh garlic. First we will slice it, then we will chop it. So garlic is very important for any kind of Chinese cuisine. We need more garlic and also fresh garlic. So noodle is already boiled, so I have to turn off the gas and I will strain the noodle. To give them 10 minutes time to little bit cool down temperature. Then after that I will add some oil, will mix it. The reason oil, if you don't put the oil in the noodle before you cooking, so all the noodle will be stick together. So that's why we have to put like 1 tablespoon oil and mix it. After the strain, you can see the noodle is like sticky. So we need to put some oil, otherwise it will be all together stick with each other. So that's why 1 tablespoon oil, so we'll mix it. Then after that when cooking, it will be not stick together. We have to mix it well. Now you can see is now every noodle is individually separated. So I already turned on the heat for I have to heat up the pan for like 1 minute. Then after that I need to put some 1 tablespoon oil. The heat is on the medium. So Chinese cuisine is always cooked on high flame. So oil is ready. Now I have to put the first garlic. This is chopped garlic, 4 cloves. Saute the garlic. It has to be a little bit brown. And after that I will start putting. The garlic is ready. Now I will put the first carrots and onion. Because carrot is a little bit harder, so I have to put first carrot and onion. Now we'll add cabbage. There's some cabbage and some red pepper and green pepper. So now I have to increase the flame to medium to high. You need to cook in high flame. We will saute little bit all the vegetables, and after that I add the noodles. The vegetable is already cooked, so now I have to add the noodles. we'll mix it. Now we'll add the rest of the ingredients. This is 4 tablespoons soy sauce. This is light soy sauce. If you are using dark soy sauce, then you need to use less. This is 2 tablespoons chili garlic paste, chili garlic sauce, sorry. And this is 1 tablespoon vinegar. And this is 1 teaspoon salt as taste. I will show you something. If you have a problem with the mixing with the spoon, you can take 2 forks. You can mix it like this. It's easy for you. It's easy to mix. All the spice will be mixed all everywhere in the noodles. So if you don't have a Chinese wok, you can use non-stick fry pan. That's okay. Okay, now it's almost ready. We have to toss it. And now we'll add some green chili and some cilantro. Noodle will take only 10 minutes time to cutting and frying. It's already done. So now I have to turn up before I turn up the gas, I have to toss it. This is a little bit heavy, so that's why I'm using 2 hands. Okay, noodle is ready. I have to turn up the gas. If you enjoy my recipe, like my video and subscribe my channel for the new upload video. And thank you for watching Imran Kitchen.